And this is part 2 of celebrating Australia Day. Shoutout pala sa nag-ingon na OA kay ko, kay wala ko'y pakialam. Hello mga indayong dudong, I'm Michelle and I'm a Filipino nurse na OA living in Australia. So now let's talk about all the positive things in moving to Australia. Again, this is my personal experience and this should not be made as a basis of why you would move or not move to Australia kasi it's my own personal experience. So don't judge me so I won't judge you, okay? The one thing I really like in Australia is the people. People are very nice, respectful, open to other cultures, and there's a lot of Asian food here, Filipino food and Filipino restaurants. I can vouch for Sydney because I'm living in Sydney. And so far, I'm loving the weather in Sydney. It's hot but not too hot like in the Middle East, and it's kind of cold but still not as cold as negative degrees. Because I came from the Middle East before coming to Australia, I'm actually enjoying the outdoor life here. The outdoor life, which means walking, hiking, swimming, being one with the nature. Kanang mag-hiking ka ba and it's just a coastal hike na nice kayong view sa dagat, or bushwalk, or mag-snorkeling ka without, private fee, or magbayad pa kag entrance fee or resort fee. So I really enjoyed it. Tapos of course, I got married, so I'm living here now. That's a big plus. Well, and in terms of nursing, in the Middle East, you can't really do a part-time job or a casual job as a nurse, or you cannot really pick your hours. So it's usually full-time hours and a given set 40 to 48 hours per week and different shifts. So here in Australia, I'm pretty sure it's similar to other countries as well na makapili ka sa imong shifts. You can choose which shifts you want to. You can be a casual, part-time, full-time, whatever. And also, I feel like I'm better valued as a nurse by my patients and as well as the other healthcare caregivers like doctors and allied health members. So the anesthetists here usually ask for a suggestion or listen to what I'm saying, and it is not tolerated to do a bad behavior or bad language, so it's intolerable actually. So you get to be respected by them. I quite enjoy hearing the Australian accent as well. Makalingaw, maminaw. Biskan usay, di ko to kasabot, pero okay na lang, makakatawa na lang ko. And then the people I met here, they're really kind and respectful, and people wait for their turn. Tapos in Sydney, even though layo ka sa ubang nasod, you're far away from traveling overseas on a 4-day weekend, but you get to do so many activities within the state or interstate. Like in Sydney, you have the harbour, you have the water, you have the mountain nearby, you have the city life and the nature if you want to. So everything is just about a nearby drive. So that's one thing that I like about Australia and also Sydney. I also appreciate, and one of the positive things is the husband's family. They're quite really welcoming and they're really lovely. So I'm quite happy with it, and that's one of the most positive things in moving to Australia. And when you're off from work, you're off from work. No one would bother you. No one would send you a message about work. And it's quite easy to go and leave. You just pop in your annual leave, and usually they would grant it, or not, you would just ask for an unpaid leave. So if you want to really go and leave, paid or not, they would grant it. Okay, what I see is that they do believe work-life balance. And that's all. I'm happy to be in Australia. Thank God. Thank you for watching. Okay, OA ka. Thank you. Bye.